My name is Danny Ford. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Prisma Health Toomey. I was born in Smithville, Tennessee. It's a small town just east of Nashville. And I attended undergraduate at the University of Arkansas at Monticello. I attended medical school at the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences in Little Rock, Arkansas. I did my internship in orthopedic residency at West Virginia University in Morgantown, West Virginia. And then I moved to Sumter, South Carolina in 1998 and been here ever since. Orthopedics is the treatment of musculoskeletal disorders. And in my practice, I'm predominantly, probably 75% of my practice is joint replacement, and the other 25% is various other things like carpal tunnel surgery, knee scopes, shoulder scopes, trauma, and things like that. When I was trying to make a decision on what I wanted to do, it was tough at first because I enjoyed all the different specialties, but I saw myself as a surgeon. I enjoy fixing things. And so of the surgical specialties, orthopedics really became my passion because, you know, if somebody had a fracture, I could fix it. If they had a bad joint, we could replace it, and then they could get their life back. And it's very rewarding to see somebody, you know, barely be able to walk into the office, and then after they have the joint replacement, they go play golf and do all the things they used to enjoy doing. When a patient comes in to see me, they basically want to know four things. The first is, what's wrong with me? The second is, what can we do about it? The third thing is, what's the risk and benefits or pros and cons? And the fourth thing is, what are we going to do to help me? And so I try to go through each one of those steps. In regards to what's wrong with them, I come up with a working diagnosis and I say, this is what I think you have. And I explain it in layman's terms where they totally understand it. It's one thing my mother said to me when I started my practice: please explain things where people can hear it. Don't use all that medical jumbo where they don't know what you're saying. And the second question they want to know is what can be done about it? And in orthopedics, we divide it up in two main categories: treating it without surgery and treating it with surgery. So we go through the various treatment options, non-surgical management, and then we go over the surgical options. And then the third is we talk about the pros and cons of each one of those treatments. And the fourth is, what are we going to do? It's kind of a shared decision. I'll make recommendations, but we both agree that at this time, this is what we're going to do. My extracurricular activities, probably my biggest passion, is golf. That little golf ball just drives me crazy. I love the game. It's very challenging, and then I have this fellowship with my friends and everything. You know, we joke and cut up and try to beat each other. So I like the competitive nature and everything about golf and being outdoors and all that. That's my biggest passion. And if you'd like to make an appointment with us, our phone number is 803-774-7621.